Hey YouTube, this is a request. It's a brand new song. It's by Kevin Sloan. It's called "This Ain't My Home," and based around C and G. That's the verse. G, C, G, E minor, G, C, G. So it's an alternating pattern. That's the first, and then it goes E minor, G, C, G, but it always comes back to that C, G. And the chorus is, they go to the first part of the chorus is just adds the D, D, C, E minor, G, C, G. That's very similar to the verse. But then the second time, they go D, C, and now they're going to do a walk down. E, D, C. We're going to go E chord, E minor chord, D chord, C chord. And we end that in the G. So. That's the second part of the chorus. That's the whole song. You could play C major 7. That's just your C chord without your index finger. You could throw that in whenever you want. And of course, I got a Capo on the 3rd fret. You can play along with the recording and use these basic open chords to play it. Okay, so have fun playing that. Thanks for the request, and I'll see you next time. Bye.